part. In fourth part we have 4yz into z square plus 66z divided by 2y into z plus 8. So again we have to solve this expression. This 4yz will remain as it is now. We have to do the we have to split this middle term. So plus 6 and the product should be minus 16. So what it could be? It can be split into 8 into 2. If you multiply 8 into 2, answer will be 16. But the sign is here is negative. So one of the number must have been negative sign. So it can be 8 into 8 and minus 2. If we multiply this 8 and minus 2, answer will be minus 16. And if we add 8 and minus 2, it will be answer will be plus 6. So this thing. So it can be written as z square plus 8z minus 2 minus 16. Clear? So this is 4yz. Now this is z into z plus 8 into z. This is 2 into z. This is 2 into 8. Clear? This is 4yz. Now what is common? Here it is z is common, so z plus 8. And here it is we are taking minus 2 common, so it will become z plus 8. This is 4yz. Z plus 8, z plus 8. This is z plus 8. And in the bracket we have z minus 2. So in numerator we have 4 into y into z plus 8 into z minus 2, and denominator we have 2 into y into z plus 8. So this 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and this y is cancelled, z plus 8 is cancelled. So what is left? That is 2z into z minus 2. So this is the answer. Now fifth part. This is 5pq and this is p square q square divided by 2p into p plus q. So this is written as 5 into p into q. Now what is this? This is a square minus b square form. So what was a square minus b square? It was a plus b into a minus b. So this will be p plus q into p minus q. And this is 2 into p and p plus q. So this p is cancelled. This p plus q is cancelled. So what is left? In numerator this is 5q and in this is p minus q. So this 5q into p minus q upon 2 is the answer. Now this is sixth part. We have 12xy and this is 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy 3x plus 4. Clear? This can be written as 3 into 4 into x into y. This is 3x whole square. This 9x square is 3x whole square. This 16y square is 4y whole square. And this is 4 into x into y into 3x plus 4. Clear? So this is 3 into 4 into x into y. This is a square minus b square. What was 3a plus b, that is 3x plus 4 into a minus b, that is 3x minus 4, and this is 4 into x into y into 3x plus 4. Clear? So this is 4 is cancelled, this x is cancelled, this y is cancelled, this 3x plus 4 is cancelled. So what is left? We are left with 3 into 3x minus 4. So this is the answer. Now last part of this question is, that is seventh part. We have 39 y cube into 50 y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. Clear? Now this 36 can be written as 3 into 13. This y cube is y into y into y. And see, this is 2 into 25. This 50 can be written as 2 into 25. This is y square. This is written as 2 into 49. Now this is 2 into 13 into y square, that is y into y, and we have 5y plus 7. Now what we can do is we can take this 2 outside. This 2 is common, so it is 2 into 3 into 13. This is y into y into y. This will become 25y square, which is 5y whole square. This is 49. This is 7 square. Okay. So this is 2 into 13 into y into y. This is 5y plus 7. So this is 2 into 3 into 13 into y to y into y. This is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. In denominator what we have? This is 2 into 13 into y into 5y plus 7. So this 2 is cancelled, this 13 is cancelled, this y is cancelled, this 5y is plus 7 is cancelled. So what is left? There it is 3, this is y, that is 3y into y minus 7. So here it is left in the numerator. So this is the answer. Now here it is exercise 14.3 is completed. So we will start with new exercise in our next video. Thank you.